my screen. Okay, good morning everyone, this is Chang Hong. So today I will walk you through the cancel features, invoice features, and also the search team features. So first I will walk you through the cancel. And yeah, in order to do this action, you need to go to our invoice ongoing dashboard. And for now, we only support a single document cancellations. Like what I already mentioned just now, the cancel is only support under if the status is equal to validators. So when you look at the validated invoice line, then when you click on the three dot button, then you can see there's a new menu called invoice, cancel invoice introduced. And of course, according to the regulation from LHDN, you only allowed to cancel the invoice if the document is still within 72 hours. Then, of course, in our system, we also have that kind of validation. So let me show you. So I will set order invoice, so which is created January 2025. And when I try to cancel, and system will tell you that the cancellation period for this document has already expired and you can no longer cancel this document. And we also will show you when is the validation date and time and how many hours exited. All right. So back to my 2025 invoice again. So imagine that if I want to cancel this 0218, so just click on cancel and just put in any reason. So system will straight away get the status from LHDN. If you want to confirm, you can actually anytime go to the invoice portal and check for the status. All right. So just now the invoice that I have canceled is the second line, #20218. So if you look at this status, it's actually already canceled. And in our system, because we allow you to do the resubmission, but to LHDN, every submission from our system we consider as a new transaction. So with that approach, so you can see even though you're using the same internal reference, but when you do the resubmission, you can see there are new record created in the LHDN portal with the new UUID. So your original cancel invoice will still being sit there. All right. So let me show you. So if I want to edit, so I just go to the view transactions for my cancel invoice. So I found that the quantity is incorrect. So I just change the quantity from 1 to 5. Same thing, after I save, it will back to review again. So now system allow me to do the resubmissions. And one is validated if you assign a new UUID by the LHDN. So it takes some time. Yep, validated successfully. So when you back to the invoice portal and check, you can see there are two different records now. The first line is the newly submitted with the new UUID and the other one with the cancel status. All right. Then, of course, there's another rule from HDN saying that if your invoice has already linked to an CN or DN, debit credit note, you are not allowed to do the cancellation. So same thing also, we have the validation implement in our system. So assuming my 0223 has already credit note link to this invoice, so when I try to do the cancel, then system will block you from doing that and tell you that, okay, you already have a credit note link, then this is the reference number. All right. And some user maybe prior to this new version, which is our UBS 2025.4, and maybe you already have the cancellation process or maybe action done in the LHDN portal, not from our system. No worries. So assuming now maybe I want to cancel again the 0218 from the portal, but not from our system. So just cancel. Put in any reason. So refresh and has already cancelled. But in our system, it still shows as validated. So how? And let's go to the cancel action again. Try to cancel from our system. And now system, we actually send a request to cancel again. But if LHDN detected this document has already cancelled. So it will just tell you that cancellation is not required because you already cancelled. And system will now refresh the status to cancel, and you can do the resubmission again if you want. All right. So that's it for the cancel API. And now we show